guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. Just wanted to jump on real quick and recommend that you guys get this tool. So you can get any Dremel that you want to get. Just the one that I have. What is this? Multimax. The focus is this attachment. This is a wood cutting attachment. It goes through wood like it plunges through wood. So as you can see up here, I had a problem where I had to get to some wood and I kind of had to get in and dig in. So I approached it from two angles, from this angle and then from the back angle. And this thing is just taking this thing out. It's cutting like butter. Let me give you an example. Just again, I'm not a professional, so don't do what I'm doing. I'm going to handle this tool with one hand. You shouldn't do that. You should always use two hands. Let's go. So I just have to cut away this little piece here so that I can install some sheetrock and even everything out. Let me just do that quickly with you. So it could have been easier and quicker for me, but because I was using one hand so y'all can see, but you got to get this attachment. It's a wood deep plunge. It says nail embedded wood. It's a deep plunge tool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please. Thank you. Bye.